start watching the video, please make sure to subscribe, because I know one thing for sure, you're gonna like this video and you're gonna like next Saturday's video. Plus, the videos are getting better, so I'm telling you, you do not want to miss it. Enjoy. Man, I wish I could sing. If I could sing, I could probably pick up any girl in the world. I could participate in show talents. I can do it all. I really like music, but my voice just sucks. If I only had a good voice. Yeah, definitely not a good voice. If I only had a good voice. Wait, I know what you're wondering. Youssef, why aren't you reading the paper while it has nothing on it? It's empty. Well, don't ask. Did you just call me? Did I just say you can't sing? You, I'm talking to you. I have got the solution for you, brother. I will make your voice the best voice of all times. Okay? I'm gonna make you look and sound like you can sing like an amazing singer. Even though, by the way, your voice sucks. You really do. And you suck. But that's not the point. I will help you and I will make you look like and sound like an amazing singer. So, follow me.
That you can see that you got it bad. When you're on the phone, hang up and call right back. You got it bad. If you miss a day without your friend, your whole life's off track. And you got it bad when you're stuck in the house, you don't wanna have fun. She's all you think about. You got it bad when you're out with someone and you keep on thinking about somebody. You got it bad. And I know this much is true, baby, you have become my addiction. I'm so strung out on you.
Okay, listen, you're doing a good job. Keep it up. But I want you to close your eyes while you sing. I want the people watching this video to feel like you're singing out of your heart. So close your eyes.
Done it on the run.
Okay, stop it. Maybe closing your eyes isn't such a good idea.
I can barely move, but I like it. So then it's all because of you. Said it's all because of you. Said it's all because I never get enough. She's the sweetest drug. She's the sweetest.
Good job. Keep doing that. But listen, at the end, I want you to cry. No! That's not the way I want you to cry. I want you to cry and get your emotions out. Pretend that you sang the song out of your heart. You know, pretend that you were hurt by a girl. Pretend that you're expressing your feelings and you're crying. Be a little bit sexy. Just be normal, okay? You're being like a creep. No? Whoa, it's me again. Before you leave, please, I want you to subscribe, because I know you will like this video, the next video coming on Saturday, and I know you will like all my videos, because my videos are only getting better and better and better. So make sure to subscribe. What are you waiting? Come on, subscribe right now. Thank you.